Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Biscuit. How's everybody doing? So today's video is going to be a haul of course, some things that I got off of Amazon, eBay, and Michaels. So without further ado, let's just go right ahead and jump into this video. I know I need to do my nails. Forgive me. I'm going to try. I know I say this all the time. I'm going to try to do my nails while I'm in nail school. But sometimes it doesn't pan out like that. I know when I go to nail school. This time around, I actually have a client. Well, I wouldn't say client. She's actually in school with me and she wants me to do her fill-in. So I thought that I would do that for her. And I felt very flattered that she would even ask me to do her fill-in for her. So this first package that I got from Amazon is a nail stamping plate with protector. And I will link everything down in the description box, seeing as how you guys want to know all the time where I get everything from. So I will definitely put the links in the description box. So it came with this nail protector peel off tape. So you basically put it around your cuticles. That way when you're stamping, it's easy for you to just rip it. I shouldn't even say rip it off. Easy for you to take it off, and it should be an easy cleanup. So it came with that. It came with a stamping tool. What else did it come with? It came with another clear stamper, which is a smaller one. I love these clear stampers because you're able to see through the bottom on where you can place it at. And then here are the stamping plates. So hopefully you guys can see that. Here's the first one. This has some flowers and like a little bit of abstract design. This one has skulls on it with some bones and stuff, which I thought was cute, and that's cute, the flower there. This is also some more flowers and butterflies, which I thought was cute. I especially like this one over in the corner, and that one. It's really pretty. And then this one is like some more abstract designs, the stars, hearts. You have a leaf pattern in case you want to get a little tropical. So that came in one set. So the next set that I got also was from Amazon. This is a nail stamping kit, which is 5 pieces. You definitely can screenshot this and probably, you know, take use your camera app for that. But again, like I said, I'll link everything down below. So this came with some AB crystals, some rhinestones. They're not rhinestones, but AB crystals, so you can plug them on your nails, which I thought was cute. I could always use some of these. I actually think I might take these to nail school. So it came with that. Then it came with another clear stamper. So I have multiple, which you can never go wrong with that. And here are the stamping plates. So this one is in a abstract design. You know, I love doing abstract art. And it's so easy to create something so beautiful. So that one. Then this came with like some tribal prints, which you know I love my tribal prints. This is some more abstract, some stars, hearts. You have a crown here, which I'm definitely gonna use. Hearts, nice little cupcake, which is cute. Some little dots. More tribal prints, which is super cute. And this one came with like some owls, a heart, birds, bird cage, cats, and so on and so forth. So I thought that was cute. So that's what came in that package. So here, this is the Born Pretty nail art stamping templates. So I got these, of course, from Born Pretty, and packaging is really cute, and they all come individually packaged like that, which is super pretty. So this one is some more abstract designs. Of course, you know I love them. Cute, right? And this one is like in a pretty leaf pattern. I love the quality of their stamping plates. Like they put this little white backing on it, which is really nice. That one's super pretty. So this one is some more abstract art. Can't wait to create a lot of stuff with this one. And then here is some more like lace tribal print. Oh yeah, super cute. And the packaging is everything. So from Amazon, I also got me some 8 boxes of mixed chunky glitters. So I had saw this post on Instagram, which I thought was super cute. It was like some clear purple hexagon coffin shaped nails. So I just had to get some hexagon glitters, so that way you could do some encapsulations and stuff like that. So definitely can't wait to add this to the collection and probably do some swatches, so that way my clients know I have them. Also along with that, I have, like, of course, my regular glitters that I could do encapsulation with. And as you see, I'm leaking. They're getting all over my table. So, but yes, I have those two. And I really need to organize my like drawer or whatever, but these are super cute. I'm actually gonna keep these to the side because I think I might want to take those to class. So this I did order off of Amazon, which was the Swarovski crystals period SS12, and this is like this pretty green color. Supposed to be 144 pieces. Doesn't look like it to me. So I mean, it's all good. I ordered this, like I said, off of Amazon. I think it was $12 for this package. But wait, y'all, here comes the best part, right? So I heard through the grapevine that you can find Swarovski crystals at Michael's. So if you haven't seen my vlog, I will link that down below as well, which is called Ice Me Out, because, you know, the crystals are so pretty, and, you know, I just felt like I grabbed a lot. So I went to Michael's and I actually found a lot of Swarovski crystals. So they ended up being $10 for a pack of crystals, but they were having a sale. So the sale was buy one, get one 50% off. So the little packs were similar like this. So technically you're getting 2 for $10 if you think about the math, or I'm sorry, not 2 for $10. Let me back up. So you buy one, get one half off. So 2 for $15 if you think about it. So like $7.50 a piece. Or you can just call it just like that, buy one, get one free. So I ended up buying a bunch of crystals from, Swarovski crystals from Michael's. Again, like I said, I will leave the link down below. I ended up getting all of these, and I actually got this container from Michael's too, which was $10. And of course, Michael's always has coupons. So, with that being said, you can have the convenience of going right to Michael's, which is local, and grabbing some Swarovski crystals instead of having to order and waiting for them to get here and so on and so forth. You can have them right in your hands. So it's pretty much the same. So I love this. I definitely will go back. I think I spent a total of like $92 for like maybe what, 10 or 12 packs. So yeah, and plus I kind of mixed a few colors together. Like I kind of did this like my gunmetal and black together. That makes sense. So I kind of put colors together, like in the color scheme. Let's see here. So these are like my favorite, and these two actually came in a pack together, but I wanted to separate them. So yeah, you know, and these are truly authentic Swarovski crystals. Of course, I grabbed a whole 2 packs of just the regular Swarovski crystals. So I like those. And they are definitely different from the AB crystals, so you can see the difference in the shine. Oops. So yeah, I got that. Let's move on, shall we? And the last two things that I got were some nail foils from eBay. So I ended up finding these on eBay because I figured a lot of my clients would want some foil with Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Dior, Chanel. So I ended up getting these. And these I think were $12 for a pack. So I couldn't find these on Amazon at all, which made me go to eBay. So I got those. Like I said, they were $12.99. I will try to leave the link down below, because I know one of them said that this was the last one I ordered. But if I could find something similar, then I will link that down below. But just go on eBay and search for designer nail foils, and then it should come up. So like I said, this is the Gucci, Dior, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Chanel, Louis Vuitton, and this one should be Gucci. No, Chanel. That's Chanel. So yeah, I got that. And then this other one was just some colorful Louis Vuitton nail foils. So again, I would link this one down below. And it actually comes with a lot, so it's kind of thick there. So kind of like that. It comes with white, blue, like a golden yellow, green, pink, orange, black, red, yellow, purple. So thought that would be cute to keep for my clients. And of course, you know, I am going to swatch it and attach it to my ring that has all of like my flower foils and whatnot, so my clients have options to choose from. So yeah, that's basically my haul. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave those down below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, so that way you never miss another video from me. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at IamBiscuit7. And again, like I said, if you have any requests for any videos, leave those down below. If you have any questions, leave those down below. And other than that, stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.